Ingredients. For the Rasgulla:
1. 1 liter full fat milk. 2. 2 tablespoons lemon juice. 3. 1 cup sugar. 4. 4 cups water. 5.
A few strands of saffron. For the Ras Malai:
1. 8 Rasgullas. 2. 4 cups milk. 3. Half cup sugar.
4. A few strands of saffron.
5. 1/4 of a teaspoon cardamom powder. 6. 1 tablespoon chopped pistachios.
7. 1 tablespoon chopped almonds.
Instructions.
To make the Rasgulla, boil the milk in a heavy-bottomed pan.
Once the milk comes to a boil, add lemon juice and stir continuously until the milk curdles.
Strain the curdled milk in a muslin cloth and rinse it under cold water to remove the lemony flavor.
Tie the muslin cloth with the curdled milk and hang it for 30 minutes to drain the excess water.
After 30 minutes, knead the chenna, cottage cheese, for 5 to 7 minutes until it is smooth and soft.
Divide the chenna into small balls and flatten them slightly.
In a separate pan, mix sugar, water, and a few strands of saffron.
Bring it to a boil.
Add the flattened chenna balls to the sugar syrup and let it simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, turn off the heat and let the Rasgullas cool in the sugar syrup. To make the Ras Malai, heat milk in a heavy-bottomed pan and let it come to a boil. Add sugar, saffron, and cardamom powder to the milk.
Stir well and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Turn off the heat and let the milk cool down.
Squeeze the sugar syrup out of the Rasgullas and transfer them to the milk. Let the Rasgullas soak in the milk for at least an hour. Garnish with chopped pistachios and almonds.
Serve chilled. Note: you can also add some rose water to the milk for an extra flavor.